All right, today, boys and girls, Pete and I are going to play a game that's called Battle of the Yarn. Battle of the Yarn, what is that? So you will have taken home this bag. I gave you the bag at school, and inside the bag are yarn pieces. I'm going to reach inside without peeking, no peeking, and I'm going to grab a piece and take it out. Okay? Now, Pete's going to reach inside without peeking, and he's going to grab a piece and take it out. And we're going to compare them. So let's look here. My piece is here, and Pete's piece is here. Hold on. Now, which piece is longer? Mrs. Davert, they're equal. You're right, Pete. They are equal. So we each get to keep our piece because they're equal. Okay, I'm going to reach in again. And I grabbed a piece. Oopsie. And now Pete's going to reach in. Pete, reach in. No peeking, and he grabs a piece. And we're going to compare our pieces. Let's look. Which piece of yarn is longer? Mrs. Davert, they're equal again. You're right, they are equal again, so we each get one. All right, we're going to try again. I'm going to reach in, and I got this piece. Okay, Pete reaches in, and Pete gets this piece. Let's compare them. Let me show you so you can see them. Whoopsie. Which piece is longer? The red one or the blue? The red is longer than the blue. You're right, so I get to keep both pieces. Okay, now we have no more in our bag, so we're going to see who has the most. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I just have 1, 2. Okay, so who had the most? Mrs. Davert. So Mrs. Davert wins. So now we can put them back in, mix them up. But this time, instead of finding out whose is the longest, we're going to see whose is the shortest, okay? Pete, you can go first this time. Thanks, Mrs. Davert. Pete reaches in. This is my piece right here. All right, Pete, let's set it down. All right, now I'm going to reach in. And this is my piece. Okay, I'm going to line them up edge to edge right here. Whose piece is shorter? My piece is shorter. This one right here is shorter than the green one. You're right, Pete. Yours is shorter, so this time Pete wins. Yay! So Pete's going to take both of them. All right, Pete, reach in. That's Pete's piece. Now I'm going to do mine. Sit down, Pete. Okay, Mrs. Davert, I'll sit down. Oh, Pete likes to fall over. That's okay. And this is my piece. Okay, we're going to line them up. Ooh. These are pretty close. I better stretch them out just right. The edges are the same. They're stretched out. Whose is shorter? The green one is shorter. Yeah, so Mrs. Davert wins. Okay, we're going to keep playing that game. Now, if you want to add more pieces of yarn or ribbon or pieces of paper to play even more, you're welcome to do that. That sounds like fun, Mrs. Davert. It sure does. Have fun playing Battle of the Yarn.